Do you know Jamestown is one of the oldest towns in Greater Accra? So today, as we go to Jamestown, one of the things I notice is their aesthetic paintings on their walls, their sculptures. And in general, it seems like Jamestown is full of artworks. It's very, very nice, I won't lie to you. So please, whenever you are in Ghana, remember to visit Jamestown. And we also had opportunity to visit the lighthouse, the history behind it. So let me show you guys around. But please wait. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like and comment under the video. Thank you.
This is the lighthouse, 1836 by the British. This is the first port and harbor in Accra. For how do you call the British ports? They park their boats for slavery. Underground tunnel connect with the fort. They can go to the boat. So when boats are coming, the big boats are coming. This very lighthouse shows them to see where even that they are heading towards back home. You know, that's the meaning of the light.
Serve as landmark.
Yes, like a landmark. It's a solar panel now. 6 a.m. is off, 6 p.m. is on. In the night, you see the light in the solar.
Yeah, so as we did the hood inside, what was it say? These kiddies they play this game. In our local dialect, we call it Sakruba. Then we say, Charlie, Lomi, your mind day. Lomi say, yeah, Charlie, my mind day. Yeah, shout out to Lomi. Lomi, my brother, man, we be the go the top. But Charlie, Lomi win the game. If they pay me pass. Next time we go there, Charlie, I'll go win them for there.
This is the first time we got the water in Accra, 1910. This drinking fountain water was built by the governor of the Gold Coast, Sir John Roger, 1910. There is a statue of a tiger head at this very middle of fountain, and the water comes from the tiger mouth. Now the tiger head is gone. A lot of people ask me, Humphrey, why the tiger head is not there? The tiger head has been stolen because it was made up of gold, real gold. First time before we had the water, 1910. Jamestown is the oldest part of Accra. The grave of one North American called Joseph Davis. He is a Boston North American supercargo and a slave master. During slavery activities in there, he just passed away. People used to come and buy slaves from him, and this is where he was buried. That's the grave of him. A lot of people tell me, ask me, Humphrey, why can't you destroy this? Because the man is a very bad man. I said always have to be there for the history, you know. So that's the grave of him. He died 1820s. Contractor came and done this 1922.
Yeah, so as we dey talk for the town inside now, where I say some squad they play b-ball. Then now we are talk Lomi say Charlie Lomi more go take ball. Lomi figure say I no go fit play. Then now where I go take ball. I talk am say me go be Kobe the Mugis for the room. What I take do them for the Charlie I be LeBron for the yo.